Welcome back to another day of building GPTs. If it's your first time here, we are just building GPTs that solve common things that I could think of. I'm doing it daily. If you don't know what GPTs are, if you pay for Chat GPT Plus, you can build these custom chatbots that can either be private for yourself or public. We'll put the link for the one that we build down here. It's in the description right now if you want to watch it or use it. But I have an idea that I wrote a week ago called Meme Myself and I. It's literally just a meme creator. It's going to be interesting. I haven't built an image specific GPT yet that just focuses on making images. So this could be a big flop. We'll see. Let's get into it because it might take a hot second. So if you've never created a GPT before, you go into the discovery page, you hit create, and then it will take you to this little page. So you can use create, or you can actually manually go in and do configure. If you use create, it'll start to fill in all these things. I'm going to go ahead and take out web browsing because we won't need it. But let's start with create. I'm just going to voice to text it. I want to create a meme creator where a person puts a subject or thought in and you generate a meme of it. Let's see how that goes. So when you use this create feature, you can actually see the action happening here. It's writing instructions, a name, a description for us. It'll ask us if we like them. We're just going to go along with it. And then I'll go in the back end. We'll call it Meme Magic. Works for me. It's also going to generate a logo or a profile picture. It's interesting they call them profile pictures. It's like a GPT as a profile is interesting. I see them more as like apps, little like very niche custom chatbots. Cool, let's do that. So let's just go make a meme about coffee addicts. So you can test your GPT as you're building it over here. We're starting strong. So DALL-E is the image generation model that OpenAI has built. It's directly integrated into GPTs if you want to build with them. Memes are interesting. There's something, it's an art form to make a good meme. World's best coffee. Okay, interesting. I like it. So let's just go see what was written to make this happen. So these are the instructions. When you get in here, the name and the description are for humans, and the instructions are actually telling the model what to do. Okay, nice. Blah, 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 da. Blue, 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 I like to do this on each line because I personally have a hard time reading these blob paragraphs. Your role is to act as a meme creator. You'll generate memes based on subjects or thoughts provided by users. Use your creativity to come up with humorous or insightful memes. While generating memes, ensure they are appropriate and inoffensive. I don't give a shit about that. If a meme request involves complex visuals, use descriptions in DALL-E to create original images. For textual memes, craft witty or amusing captions. Avoid using copyrighted characters or specific public figures. I'll leave that one in. Yeah. Clarify with users if their requests are vague or need more details. Your response. I don't really care about tone right now. I care more about making the meme good. So let's just see what happens now. I took out a few things that I don't think that we needed, and I kept some very important things like not using people's likenesses. Now let's see what this coffee one makes. So it also writes these generates these conversation starters that are good for just, testing it out. Oh, there we go. Here's your coffee addict meme. We have a guy here. He's got a crazy amount of fingers. Way more. What is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I mean, that's not crazy, I guess, but that's 2 more than you're supposed to have on your hand. Really digging into it. Got a coffee pot in the back there. He's growing a little chin hair. He seems younger, so that's alarming. His eyes don't look too great. And his hair's kind of standing up like the coffee. It's a lot of static electricity in it. Not bad. Not exactly what I was hoping for with the meme, but let's also make a meme about not wanting to use Chat GPT instead of Bard. Let's just see what we get here. That's like more of a meme you would see on Twitter/X. People poking fun at actual things that are happening that are topical. Yeah, this is going to be harder than I thought. I'm going to go, so I have another GPT called Prompt Perfect. Could you pull a list of the top memes of all time? Let's just look at some of the best Evergreen memes, and maybe we'll get something good. So Prompt Perfect automatically rephrases your prompt for context and detail, so you can use ChatGPT or this GPT like it's Google, but will automate. Like, the reason I built it was because people prompt like they're searching in Google rather than talking to an actual AI model. So this makes everything you put in phrased and adds context and detail for LLMs, which is cool. But right now it is searching bestlifeonline.com. Be interested to see what it pulls for top memes, because in the past, when I've used the web browsing feature a lot for things like this, it'll just find an article that somebody wrote about the top memes of all time, and then it'll just give us some of the highlights from that article, and then just link back to the actual article. So let's see where we go. No, it's at darcymagazine.com. What the hell is darcymagazine.com? Take a little gander. This is quite the website. A lot going on. Yeesh. The best Henry Kissinger is dead memes roasting the war criminal. Oof. 10 coolest Batmobiles ranked. How many Batmobiles are there? There we go. Let's just see what Frodo makes a phone call meme looks like. That's funny. It's done. I wonder what the template of this is. So let's go in here and just do... How would you describe this meme? Oops. Lawyer cat. I've been off the meme game. I don't... That's pretty funny. I wonder if we'll get docked for... Oh.
Mr. Ponton, I believe you have a filter turned on in the video settings. You might want to Take a look.
Can you hear me, Coach?
I can hear you. I think it's a filter.
It is, and I don't know how to remove it. I've got my assistant here. She's trying to, but I'm prepared to go forward with it. I'm here live. I'm not a cat.
I can see that.
Oh, that's good. All right. 2 images of Frodo from the Lord of the Rings film. Oh, yeah, there we go. I want to recreate the style of this meme with something about having ADHD. How would you write a prompt to make that with Dolly? Let's see what happens there. Just start messing around, seeing what we get. Because this ain't it. I mean, it's cool. But there's some things we could do, like if we told it to make every meme hyper-realistic, then we might get less like cartoony stuff like this. Uh-oh. We're breaking it. Nope, never mind. Oh. I wonder what's going to happen here. It's just ripping off a meme. I was more interested in how ChatGPT thinks a prompt to recreate this would look like. I'm a big fan of asking AI. What is this? What is this thing? Okay. Chibok stew task. Chode shoes. Oh, interesting. The above image has been created in the style of the Frodo phone call meme, tailored to humorously reflect the experiences of having HDA. Features 2 panels that depict the challenges and the small victories associated with managing tasks when one has ADHD. I mean, dude, really, this one kind of goes. Create a meme. All right, let's just see what happens if we go here. I'm gonna do one thing. Use a hyper-realistic quality and style. So hyper-realistic, it's on details. Paintings and sculptures are not. So this is what hyper-realism kind of looks like real stuff. That's creepy. I don't like that. I want to see what happens if we ask Dolly to do that, and then make a meme. Make a meme would actually be a good name for this. Let's see. One update that it looks like ChatGPT has made is it used to write these as and would say GPT, but the model actually doesn't understand. Oh. Hey, I finally started that project. Wait, what project was I again? What project was I again? We're getting closer to something that is actual. That's great. Make a meme about trying to get all your New Year's resolutions done in the last week before the end of the year. All right, let's see what we get from that. Topical, as it is December now, and we're getting close to the end of the year. We could actually make a meme, one of these memes for the logo for this GPT. Here we go. So one thing you'll see, start exercising, start ghosterding, limnoling. A lot of the text that you find in images generated by DALL-E, or a lot of AI, is similar to this, where it looks like it would be, it almost looks like it's real, and you get something like a year worth resolutions AC in a week. Like, what happens if somebody use this same prompt? Oop, how do I get out of here? Let's go back. Nope. I just want to exit out of this. Let's just do this. Oh, I should have saved that. That was a good setup. All right, so what if we did follow these rules? Let's just say your idea should be insightful for the genesis of the meme. The image should be hyper-realistic. Let's just leave it like that. Do not put words in the meme. What? Yeah. Let's take that out. All right. Let's just see what happens now if we do something simple like generate a meme for gamers. We can also copy this. It's funny, I think just telling it that it's a meme gives it a lot of context on what you want, because it's trained on so much data from the internet. It has a wide swath of information. Interesting. Okay. There's the little X. Write a great single sentence caption for this. Let's see what happens there. All right. That's not bad. Let's see. Make a meme. Let's see what we get. Now this is fascinating. Like, that is a very... It got the hyper-realism there. Like, parts of this look really clean. Grandma's loving the games, dude. Now we're talking. So what we might do, I like these. Maybe, how would you describe what a meme accomplishes? That's a dumb question, but let's just see what we get here. Because there might be something we could do to just say, write a single sentence that's straight to the point or tongue-in-cheek about X. And then maybe for each one we can have it spit out an image and then a caption with it. Use an ironic or... okay, what if we said... after generating the meme, write a concise single sentence using irony or satire. Concise ironic or satirical single sentence about the image. All right. Oops. I accidentally did coffee addicts again. Getting bored of that one. What else did they say? In essence, memes accomplish the task of conveying messages in compact, relatable, and often humorous format. Compact is a good way to describe it. Let's see what we get here. This Frodo phone one's kind of funny. I don't know what's going on there, though. Okay. When your coffee mug is the only thing keeping you from becoming part of the office furniture. Wild. Let's see what we get with grandma this one. Or not grandma, but gamers. I kind of like the hyper-realistic memes, though. I think some of the funniest memes are real. At least in my opinion. You know, that is a opinion statement. Alright, let's see. If it is anywhere even close to as good as this, I'll be happy. Outside the sun is shining, but in here it's always game on. That's not that funny. And these are very broad. I don't expect them to be super funny. I'm asking a lot of it right now. Writing compact single sentence that adds leaves a lasting impact on the viewer. Write it using satire. If you can't think of satire, write it using irony. All right. Create a meme about working from home. I did not see this one out there. Ooh, cats too. All right, we got to try it. We got to test out the cat one after this. Cats and memes are a match made in heaven. It's hard to know which came first, cats or memes about cats. It's kind of a chicken and the egg thing. All right. That's not bad. I mean, the caption here is, mastering the art of looking busy has never been this cozy. Not that great, but it is very funny that they used a cat in that one. It actually makes more sense. One of the first ones we got, there was that little thing in the corner. I wish I could go back in time. I wish I was a better video editor. But that was probably a little mini cat in there. Ooh, not bad. I mean, not super memey, but make a meme about a CEO cat. Let's see what happens. Honestly, we could make this whole thing about cats, and it would probably be more fun. Maybe we'll do that. There's a few other ways we could attack this. We could break down other memes. The hard part is meet the perfect sharp claws in business. Now this is not bad. If we took this out and just said sharp claws in business, soft paws in management, that's funny. What if we did this? So I'm going to keep, maybe I'll use this for, I have sharp claws in business, soft paws in management. That is not bad. Where'd this fucker go? Okay, copy image. Fun thing about DALL-E is you can use the images for whatever you want. All right. Lots of preferred ways to follow these rules. Let's do a quick little write these instructions using Markdown. I like to put a lot of my custom instructions in Markdown. It's the way that the models output, and you know, it's basically like speaking AI's language. Your primary function is to craft cat memes that resonate with the prompts given by users, create memes that are insightful and capture the essence of the user's idea, employ hyper-realistic imagery for visual impact, compose a compelling single-sentence message, satire is not applicable, employ irony. See, this is one great thing about using Prompt Perfect, because it will take, even if it doesn't send it all the way to the action, if it's like a very simple thing like this, it will still optimize for talking to LLMs. Like using employ is a very interesting way to frame it, and it'll be fun to see what we get out of here. So let's take this, bada bing, and then let's just say generate a meme about working from home. The big updates are gonna be cat memes, and then everything's in structured Markdown now. Ensure your memes concept is profound and thought-provoking. That's a pretty good cat. But what is this caption? When the sunny outdoors calls, but your inbox keeps you chained indoors. When outdoor calls, but let's see. Let's see what we get if we do this. I want to make sure that they don't all use hashtags there, because I don't think we need hashtags. And sometimes it's very hard to get these models to not use hashtags when they think it is a tweet. They really, really like it. Yep. When your 9 lives are reduced to 3 respawns. That's pretty good. Alright. Let's copy that. But we do, I mean, if they're this good, then we might let them keep their hashtags. Let's see what we get with our good old coffee one now. What the heck is this cat playing here? Seems to be playing a game where it's a human. It also kind of looks like it's editing a video, which is funny. I don't know enough about gaming. Oh, sleep is overrated and you have 9 lives to live. Ow, I like that. Let's keep... Oop. I like it. And now I'm making creative edits, and this is something I think everybody... Sleep is overrated when you have 9 lives to live. Solid. Yeah, see, I make edits to almost all the copy that comes out. I think some people try to use one-to-one. Let's just do, yeah. Generate. Let's see, I want to do about middle managers. It's got a funny little thing that's come up with people in AI just basically saying that middle management's going to be, we're either all going to be middle managing AI or middle managers' jobs are going to be gone like the wind. Stuck in the... It's not bad. Not a great caption here, though. Stuck in the perfect storm. Upper management in the team. A meme about the news being boring. Let's see what that looks like. Some of these are pretty solid. Oh yeah, and I want to generate a new meme for this. Honestly, we might just change the name to Meme Cat. All right, that's not too horrible. Make a meme about not being able to create a logo. It seems to be doing a little bit better with very broad sentences. Like if I said make a meme about logos, it might actually do better. Make a meme about memes. Let's see what happens there. Getting meta with it. I like how this has come out so far. Not bad. Oh, I'm tired. Oh. Memes. Let's see. Well, yeah, I don't know what exactly happened with this error creating an image. Could just be an API thing. Could be that the prompt that it tried to use. Okay. Generate a meme about nothing. Let's see what happens. Boom, 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 boom. That's pretty good. Meme Cat. How should we describe this? The app these instructions are for. And 2 sentences. Let's just see what we get over there. Meme Cat. It's a good name. I still want a logo though. Let's just see what happens if I type in the word logo. Is it gonna decide that it wants to make a meme just about logo? Hmm. You gonna use it? You gonna do a logo? Come on, Meme Cat. Where do we get here? Okay. If the prompt doesn't mention a meme, add make a meme about before their prompt. Let's see what happens now. Creating a cat meme relic concept with logos, a bit of intellectual humor for cat meme. Oh, they were. Oh, it was doing it! Damn it! That was so good. Alright, sorry. I won't cut it off this time. Make a meme about a cat humorously misunderstanding the concept of a corporate logo. That is good. Sorry, I'm reading this guy, which is when you realize that knocking things off the table is not just an action, but a philosophical statement against the tyranny of gravity. And then I want to save this. Dang. All right. Let's do one more time. I'm just going to say logo. Oop. There we go. Nice. So that little update that we did there that just says if the prompt doesn't mention a meme, I'd make a meme about before their prompt. Seems to be doing a good job, which I love to see. No word work, cast define branding. Yikes. Let's see what happens if I say logos. Yep. Yep. Now we're talking. Ooh. Not all logos land on their feet is pretty funny. I think we're good. I actually want to ask it. That's not bad. Not bad at all. Ancient philosophy. Let's just see what we get there. Make a meme about a cat embodying ancient philosophy. Sweet, sweet. We didn't create a logo yet, though. Maybe we'll use... I like this guy. Honestly... Oh, yeah. Where did... To meow or not to meow? That's pretty good. I need to save this. I'm going to use this as the logo because that made me laugh very hard. Upload photo should be in the downloads. Oh no, that's not the right one. Where did I save that? Was it on desktop? It was, but I didn't save it the right way. Open image in new tab. Save image as. Oh, that's the problem, that it's not a quick actions. Convert image. Sure, JPEG works. We'll just call it logo. All right. Take 3, desktop logo. Now we're talking. Meme cat. Oh, there's no description. Put something in. Type whatever in. Get a cat meme back. I like that. Simple to the point. Just say existential dread. Let's see what happens if we try to get a meme about existential dread. Make a meme about a cat expressing existential dread. Okay. If this works, it's gonna be our first one. Pretty cool. I think there's a lot that could be done here. When you realize you've used up 8 of your 9 lives on naps. I like it. I'm gonna put this here. I'm gonna put this here, and then I'm gonna make this one Mondays. Let's just see what happens if we do one Garfield, the classic cat. Hated Mondays. Loved lasagna, pretty sure. I have to catch back up on my Garfield. But let's see what we get here. And I think once this is done, it'll be a wrap. I'll show you. The link for this will be below if you're watching this. When even the sunniest day can't persuade you to leave the bed. Not great, not horrible. This clock is impressive though. All the numbers are right. And it has Maine Coon, which is the type of cat that is. I only know that because I had a friend who really loved Maine Coons. All right, so if you want to publish, I'm going to make it public because it's fun. Meme cat. Type whatever in, get a cat meme back. Being a programmer. Let's see what we get here. Ow. Got my leg stuck. I'm going to go ahead, copy the link here. Ideas. So this ended up being called Meme Cat. I'm going to put the link in my doc. We've made a bunch of these so far. This is the 12th. If you go back through this channel, you will see. And you can actually watch us build these GPTs. What? That is not a single sentence. Interesting. Make a meme about being a programmer. The regenerate button will always be your best friend if you get something that's not great, especially with these GPTs, because we're not going back through and like making everything as perfect as possible. Like in general, these are going to work for what we built them for, but it might take some regeneration. Nah, it's not bad. When your cat understands your code better than you do, and you have a very smart cat. Like it, love it. And the cat's got a phone in front of the keyboard. Bold move. Great. Well, that's another one in the bucket. Meme Cat. Test it out. If you like it, let us know. You know, like and subscribe if you think this is useful stuff. If you enjoy learning about GPTs. We're going to be back to build more in the future, so we'll see you then.